but I'm alive and well, and I wanted to talk about my Ninja blender. So this actually is one of my favorite blenders, and I'd love to answer any questions that you might have about it. It's Ninja's most powerful system, and I actually use this every single day. So I'm going to be checking out my chat here to make sure that I don't miss anything. Sorry, I've got to set this up here so that I can actually see it in case you guys chat with me. Anyway, welcome. So this one, it's got smart torque technology, and it's got a powerful 1400 peak watt powered dense motor that powers through heavy loads without stalling or need to stir or shake. It has 6 versatile functions. It's a 6 preset auto IQ programs for one-touch smoothies, extractions, bowls, spreads, chopping, and dough. Does anybody else besides me have one of these? Anyway, chat with me just so I know that you're there. Auto IQ technology, you take the guesswork out of drink making with intelligent programs that combine unique time pulsing, blending, and pausing patterns that do the work for you. And so this is my favorite one, and so I'm going to show you this. Hi, I'm just doing a quick video. This is the Ninja blender. I love it because it does everything. It chops like a food processor, all in this. You also have another attachment, and you can do dough. And something I never knew I would love is this. It comes with this. It also comes with another attachment. This has almond milk, 4 ice cubes, 1 frozen banana that's been cut into 2, and a tablespoon of almond butter. And then I also put it in 2 tablespoons of yeast whey, which is for the protein. So I'm just going to show you how this blends up. It's locked into place, that easy. Turn on the power. Over on this side, it says smoothie, and I'm going to press, now, warning, turn down your volume. So you want to make sure that it comes to a complete stop. I usually turn off the power. You don't necessarily have to do that. And then I usually unplug it just because I want to make sure it's off. You twist it off. And meanwhile, if you guys can follow me on my Amazon profile, that would be awesome. If this helped you out, just hit follow. So this can be as creamy or as milkshake-like as you want. I'm sharing today. And that's it. Thank you. I hope that helped. So awesome. This is what this is. This is the power cup. So it also has the lid so you can actually drink out of the power cup, and it twists on and off, which is really great, and it makes it very portable. And I see that Martin said, Mary, do they come in different colors? As far as I know, they only come in the black. I've not seen any additional colors, but there are additional Ninjas. I've highlighted them below. There's another one. It's the AMZ, and that one has a powerful motor base. It's 1,000 watts of professional performance power, extra large blending capacity. It's a 72-inch pitcher, and it's great for making large batches for the whole family. It has a 64-ounce max liquid capacity, total crushing technology, professional versatility, recipe inspiration. It's easy to clean. It's BPA free and dishwasher safe. And anyway, so that's another one that is down there in the carousel. But right now I am talking about the Ninja SS351. And I have another video for you. This is the Ninja Foodi Power Pitcher System. I'm going to show you the Power Nutri Bowl. So I've not made this before. I've got kale, avocado, cucumber, and a cup of my almond milk. I'm hoping it all fits in there to show you how this works. Oh, and an almond butter. cups. Oh, there it goes. Sorry about that. So I'm going to twist this into place. It's snapped. It's on. I have smoothie. And then I'm going to start. So please lower your volume. Then you're supposed to move this. I think that's to get everything and then I'm going to turn this off. Everything's stopped. I'm going to click it off. Let's see what we have. Now this is not their recipe. It's a green recipe that I need my greens, so. Whoops, I'm spilling it all over. Looks good. Sorry for my mess, but that looks perfect. And this is the Power Nutri Bowl with this storage lid. So this one is great for making, like it says, nut butters and things like that. But as you saw, I make my smoothie with it. So anyway, this does have the storage lid, and I wanted to explain once again what I was doing in that video. So once you fill it up with everything, they have this twist lid, especially with nut butters. Sorry. This twist, and I don't know if you can see it twisting on the inside, but that's for like the nut butters and the things that are a little bit thicker. So, you know, you don't want to go in there and try to use a spoon like a regular big blender. So this, you're supposed to twist as, I shouldn't be twisting that as I'm talking to you, should I? You twist it as you're actually blending. So that'll bring everything down so that it will get blended. So just once again, that's how that twists. And that is that one. I'm going to showcase, I'm showing you a couple of the other ones, and this other third blender down below, that one is the Ninja Professional, and that one has Nutri Ninja cups. It has 1100 watts of professional performance power with 3 different speeds, pulse, single servings, etc. And so I just wanted to point out that there are more than one Ninjas. Now the one that I am using, once again, is the SS351. That's the one I own. If you watch Mary Morrissey Studios, this is the one that I'm always using. I would love to have every single one, but this one is good for me now. And I wanted to show you how I use the dough insert. So this is the Ninja Foodi. I'm going to be making some dough in here. It's actually a keto dough, so we'll see how this goes. For this, you put in the ingredients, put on the lid, and then you put it into the base, plug it in, and then it'll give you put dough right in there, and then I'll show you that in a minute. All right, so we're picking up where we left off. I've got oil, coconut flour, eggs, and salt. This is for a dough. I'm making 2 pie crusts. So I've never done this with a Ninja before, so we'll see how it goes. It's going to be very loud, so you might want to turn down your volume. So please do that now, and I'm going to press power. And well, actually the power is already on, but I have it on the dough setting. And once again, if you haven't already done it, trust me, you want to turn down your volume, especially if you have headsets on. Here we go. unplug it just because that's how I am. You twist it, and as you can see, it looks like I have some pretty good dough there. Hit the release button. Sorry if you're not getting the best view. I'm just checking it out. But the consistency is great. I give it a 10. I love this machine and I can't say enough about it. So that is the dough. It has the dough insert. All right, so I hand pressed the dough. That's hand pressed. You guys, I am so impressed with this dough. I'm gonna make another one. That's gonna go on top. So that's what it looks like. Okay, so as you see, I love it. And let me show you this. This is the dough insert. So that's what that looks like. And just let me show you this. So the way that you open this, oh, and you know what? Before I get into that, I wanted to tell you about one more thing because it is the deal of the day. And I think the deals of the day end in, let's see, whoops, about 12 minutes. So if you want this next one, you better throw it in your cart and check out as soon as possible. I'm highlighting it in the bottom. It is the Ninja Compact Kitchen System. Once again, it's the Amazon deal of the day. And it has a powerful crushing stacked blade assembly and high performance pro extractor blades assembly. It powers through frozen ingredients and ice with ease. Food processing, it includes a 5-cup precision processor bowl, chopping and dough blade, assembly and added versatility and functionality. I have it highlighted. You will not see it at that price for a long time. So like I said, make sure you throw that into your basket before we have 12 minutes on the West Coast here. That deal's gonna be gone. It has auto IQ technology, take the guesswork out of drink making and intelligent programs. That's one thing I really love about it. On the base, you just pick dough, you just pick smoothie, and you hit go, and it does everything for you. So that's a really great thing. As far as I know, it's on the Ninja that I was talking about originally, and it's talking about this one on deal as well. It also has the dough blade assembly, and they're dishwasher safe. And then the one on the deal down below that's highlighted in the carousel, it has a 1200 watt motor base, 72 ounce total crushing pitcher with lid. It has a 5-cup precision processor bowl with lid, stacked blade assembly, dough blade assembly, chopping blade assembly, pro extractor blades assembly, and an 18-ounce single serve cup spout. So that's the one that I have highlighted at this moment. That's the Ninja AMZ493BRN. So that sale ends in 11 minutes on the West Coast here. So if you want that one, just make sure that you put that in your cart. Also, I have one other one down in the carousel, and that's one of the lower cost ones. So if you like this Ninja, this might be one that you want to try. It's the Ninja BN701 Professional Plus Blender. It has a more powerful motor. It also has powerful crushing, 3 versatile functions. It has 3 preset auto IQ programs, which creates smoothies, frozen drinks, and ice cream, all at the touch of a button. It also has the auto IQ technology. It has extra large blending capacity. It's got the 72 ounce total crushing. So if you like those margaritas, that's probably for you. It also is dishwasher safe. That one is a 1400 peak watt motor base, 72 ounce total crushing pitcher. And so I just wanted to highlight the one that is off sale in 10 minutes. Make sure you grab that one. And I just wanted to be sure that before Black Friday is over, I told you about that because it is a deal of the day on Amazon right now. So I'm going to go back to the one that I actually have here. And this is the SS351. This is the one that I use every day. And it has the smoothie bowl maker. It mixes dough in seconds. It's 1400 watt power. And in case anybody. All right. So I hope you guys are having fun. And if you've just joined me, thank you. I am talking about the Ninja SS351. That's the one that I use every day. I love it to death. I have it highlighted in the carousel. And make sure that you put these items in. They make great gifts. I actually told my sister about this. She bought one, and for the USA holiday Thanksgiving, she was using it. I was so happy. She loves it too. I think I made her a fan as well. So what I wanted to show you is how this releases. So on the top, it has a release button, and then it just pulls off like that. So, and inside, you have to read all of the instructions on how to deal with this blade. It is definitely, if you have children, I would definitely have an adult supervising. The blades are sharp, chops right through the ice cubes very quickly. So I will be conscientious. You pick it up and you can see the blades. Those are the blades. And so I'm going to put that away so it's out of my harm's way. Anyway, and you can pour from the spout right here. And once again, it does have a dough insert, and it comes with the Power Nutribowl, and it has a lid so that you can store it. And so the way that this works, here's the bottom. This is on the inside. Sorry, it's not on the inside of that. What am I doing? So you have the base, just like this one fits into the base, this fits into the base. So this would go onto the base of your blender, and that's how that one works. And then this is the other one. This one has the spout that you drank out of. But that same blade, you take off this one. So these are all interchangeable, goes onto this one. And so that goes onto the base of your blender. So that's how that works. All right, and I have another question in the chat. It says, will these go on sale at a later date? Well, I am sure that over the weekend things will go on sale, but the one on sale right now, I'm going to show you in the carousel. You have, on the West Coast, I think 1 minute left to buy this one. So throw this one. It's the Ninja AMZ 493BRN. I have it highlighted down below. Make sure you throw that in the cart. You got like 1 minute to throw it in there and check it out. So I hope you get that one because I really love my Ninja. But meanwhile, we're talking about my Ninja Foodi, and I've highlighted that one. And once again, one of my favorite things to do is make dough. Here's the insert that would go into the actual canister. So as you can tell, Mary Morrissey Studio, I cook, I bake, and I am all things kitchen. And this is one of my favorites in the kitchen. And so that's highlighted below. And it looks like Black Friday is officially over, but I know that there are other sales that are going throughout the weekend. You'll see me again. And I hope you threw some of these blenders into your bag. They make a great gift for anybody. Man, woman, let me tell you, I don't know anybody that hasn't been thrilled with this blender. So once again, I have it highlighted, the one that I use every single day, whether it be for a smoothie, making dough. I don't see any questions in the chat. I hope you hit follow. So when I go live again, I share lots of things. I'm all about unboxing, shopping, kitchen, and more. So thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you followed me, because I am just starting out here on Amazon Live, and it would mean so much if you hit follow. So thank you. Wow. Have a great day. Bye-bye.